What's up, disciplined investor?
We got Benzinga CEO Jason Raznick here with us.
The man, the myth, the legend, Tom Nash.
Peter Schiff on the Power Hour with us live today. Interesting, different, unique, innovative companies. Mia, you are live with us on the Power Hour. What's up?
Thank you so much for inviting me on.
Jessica Billingsley, that is the CEO of Akerna, the best trade idea resource out there.
What is up, Zinger Nation? Happy Friday. We've made it to the end of another trading week. We have a packed show today, as always. Joining us right at the beginning is going to be Ben from StoryTrading. He's been on the show a few times. Some of you may remember he pitched us AEHR a few weeks ago. The stock has been up about 20% since he pitched it, so great pick from Ben. We're going to bring him in again for another stock pick, so excited to get that from him. But real quick, before we get started, let me know in the chat what y'all have been watching today, what stocks you guys have been trading. Mixed bag today as far as different stocks. Let's check it on the SPY real quick, because this is the best way to just get an idea of how the market is moving. We're up almost a full % now. And of course, we've got Jerome Powell speaking later this afternoon. So a lot of people are interested in to see how the Fed is going to, if they're going to continue to talk about tapering or if they're going to try to ease those fears of tapering the rates. But without further ado, once I get the universal sign from Ben that he's ready, maybe a little thumbs up, we're going to go ahead and bring Ben on. We're going to get his new stock pick. It's a surprise. I don't even know it. So I'm excited to hear from Ben what it is, and I'll definitely be adding this to my watch list after, again, he pitched AEHR and then SMSI. So without further ado, let's go ahead and bring Ben on.
What's up, producer AB?
Ben, how we doing today? Happy Friday.
Happy Friday to you. A lot of action this week, a lot going on. I do have that new stock we teased was the digital health stock, but first we got an update on AIR. And we also have an update on Virtra, VTSI. I did present that a little bit a couple of weeks ago. I don't know if you remember. I think it was on August 18th. Presented Virtra Systems, VTSI. So I have two important updates. We'll go through it real quick, and then we will get to the new pick.
All right, let's do it. Let's start with the update on AHR. Up almost 5.5% today. So another good day for AHR. We can see this. These are daily candles, so just a lot of green candles in a row for AIR.
A lot going on. First, our disclaimer, we're not a storage investment advisor, and investing in securities involves significant risk of loss. You can head over our website to sign up for the app. So another update. There's been a lot going on this week. First, on Tuesday, I was on the show then. They had a $3 million EV order, but the news kept flowing. The next day, on Wednesday, something that has not gotten a lot of attention, but is extremely important. Their customer, On Semi, that produces the semiconductors, they bought GT Advanced System, GTAT. Some of you may know them from before, like a decade ago, when they did stuff with Apple on Sapphire. But anyway, they got into silicon carbide production, and On Semi bought this company for $415 million. And silicon carbide, those are the chips that AIR is providing the test systems for. So this deal is significant, not only for momentum of orders that are going to keep coming for silicon carbide, but also in terms of the valuation of the company. $415 million. GTAT is now a private company, so we don't know exactly how much revenue they have, but it doesn't seem like it could be a lot. So this is very important. Spoken to some people in the industry and some colleagues who say this is a huge tailwind for the valuation of AIR stock. So that was on Wednesday, and it kept on flowing. The next day, Craig Hallam upgraded AIR. I don't know if you all saw this. There must have been a Benzinga alert on it. Went up from price target of $5 to $12. I underlined the important parts here. AIR Test has a substantial revenue growth opportunity in front of the company, driven by the expansion of electric vehicles and the silicon carbide used in them. They already have that lead silicon carbide manufacturer, which is On Semi, and they are in talks with another leading manufacturer and believe they're in conversations with all of the silicon carbide manufacturers. So I just have to say, when I was on the show the first time, I said this could be a $50 to $100 stock in 2 to 3 years. I still believe that. And this news flow is paving the path for that 50 to 200 in 2 to 3 years if they are not bought out first.
Yeah, I mean, definitely interesting stock here. We've been watching it. I'm not personally in this yet, but Ben, it's on my watch list.
All right, great.